A ryw olwg bwrpasol ar y tîm cartre. Pel arall yn cael ei hanelu tuag at Wild, a mae Wild yn ei hennill i. Mae Hayes yn mynd amdani, mynd y gyfle gwirioneddol! A mae Hayes di'r rhoi Cei Connah y blaen o fewn y 2 funud cynta. Ac nawr mae tasg Bae Colwyn yn anodd. Cei Connah 1, Bae Colwyn dim.
Yli mae gweld, nid o'n gynnar. Unwaith mae nid o'n gynnar, mae Hayes yn dod o ochr dall Cyril. Di Cyril ddim yn teimlo bod o'n yna, wedyn mae o'n gorfforol cryfach. Mae'n wych o gol ffordd mae'n gorffan ni.
Holmes, sydyn mewn at Wild. Wild yn ffoi, Cyril, o mae'r dacl yn wan eto Williams! Ac os oedd angen cyfle ar blat i Hayes, mae o'n i chael gwaith ardderchog gan Williams, ond am amddiffyn Simpson, ac yn sbwylio popeth da mae Bae Colwyn wedi wneud.
Josh Williams byth yn mynd i sgorio o'r ongl yna, mae'n mynd ar draws y gol, o'r lle cywir i neud ti, a mae Hayes yn sgorio'r gol yna, syml geithon ni yrfa.
Bydd ei orau trio pyr o sgoriau, o dan i drad ychydig.
Edwards. Arbediad campus, yr ergyd gan Hill, a mi ath chwarae teg ffyrdd lawr mor sydyn. Ni'n meddwl bod hwn yn arbediad adweithiol arferchog. 563 ohonyn nhw mysyn yma, mae'n debyg. Oddi cartre. A gobeithio bydd i penderfyniad i ddod nôl i'r system Gymreig yn talu ar ei ganfes. Stachiolis, hyfryd, Stachiolis i'w gorffenni, arbediad da, ac mae Wild wrth gwrs di manteisio pan ddodd y cyfle. Ac ar ôl cyfnod gore Bae Colwyn o'r gêm o ddigon. Un symudiad hyfryd gan Stachiolis. Fe nath y golwr Woods gymaint y galle fo, ond yn anffodus, yn syth i lwybr, y dyn ola da chi isio i gael y cyfle, ac mae'r gêm ar ben.
Michael Wild yn gwybod os dwi'n cymryd cyffyrddiad yma nafo'r amser sganddo fo, mae bwlch wedi mynd iddo fo sgorio. Felly mae'n cymryd tiannu cyffyrddiad cynta, mae'n gorfod wneud i sgorio, mae'n wneud hynny.
Franklin, ardderchog, cri, ddim yn drosedd. Franklin. Nawr te, mae hwnna'n gecos Martin, mae rhaid ydi.
Pwy sy'n dod ar ochr?
Downs.
Downs ydi o.
Yn ei lorio fo. Ath o lawr oherwydd Downs. Morris. Wel,
do mae'n methu heina.
Tasa chi'n dewis rhoi pel yn rywle o gecos Martin, dyna sa chi'n neud?
Ia, mae yna jyst croni perfformiad cael y Morris unwaith eto.
Unrhyw sy'n heb gweld y gêm, a maen nhw'n gweld y sgôr, dwi'n mynd adlewyrchiad o ffordd mae Bae Colwyn wedi chwarae.
You've had a brilliant week, 4 goals today, a place booked in the 4th round. You must be delighted.
Yeah, I'm really happy. You know, there's always a chance that this could go wrong, you know, especially when we've had such a positive result last weekend. We're on the back of, 10 straight wins. And then obviously, a side issue of a new contract and manager of the month. Those things can go wrong sometimes. So we had to make sure we were right. We focused really well this week because we knew that Colwyn Bay are a really tough team, and give them credit. 4-0 probably flatters us a little bit in terms of some of the things that they caused us today. But I thought we were really professional about what we did and really efficient.
Mike Hayes, I'll come to you first. 2 goals for you this afternoon. It was job done for Connah's Keep.
Yeah, we worked hard. We've worked hard all week. We knew it was going to be tough. Knew they'd been the crowd, and it was good to get the 2 goals first half. Went in really confident at half time.
And Mike, how desperate were you for that 3rd goal? Because 2-0, it can be a bit of a tricky scoreline, can't it? And they were really putting you under a bit of pressure.
Yeah, especially in a cup competition as well. You always want to get that 3rd goal. I think it gives you a bit of security. And also, we know how well Evo and Tommy Holmes got these well trained as well. So we know that was going to be tough coming into the last 20 minutes of a game. So that 3rd goal was crucial. And I think it just kind of put the tie to bed. And we're in the round now, the next half.
Steve, give me your assessment of that one. A tough afternoon for your team.
Yeah, it was. It weren't my team. Well, I say it weren't my team. First half, we didn't play like we normally play. It was almost like we got caught in the headlights. And I didn't recognise us. Went in at half-time, addressed it. And second half, I'm proud of the lads. They worked their socks off second half. We're a yard sharper. We're in their faces. And for, say, 25 minutes until the 3rd goal went in, we're probably the better team, But they showed their experience as well. The keepers made 1 good save. But we didn't test them enough. And first half was nowhere near what I know we can play like. But second half, you know, we addressed it and we were better.